Hey El Palote fam, it's that time for another video, and this one's going to be a cooking video about seitan, and that's also known as vital wheat gluten. As you can tell, it's going to be our main ingredient for this dish. Next, you're going to need 50 grams of sugar. Next, you're going to want to mix that. Time to hit you with a gluten fact. So gluten, vital wheat gluten, has about 75 grams of protein per 100 grams serving. Next, we're going to hit it with 650 milliliters of water. Next, you're going to want to mix it up till you get the consistency of a dough, just like ours. Alright, so once you get it into this consistency, you're going to want to put it in a bag, a Ziploc bag of sorts, and you're going to want to keep it in the fridge overnight. So at least for 12 hours, for sure. So once it's been in there for 12 hours, you're going to want to take it out and you're going to get a little bit of oil and lubricate your hands so it doesn't stick to your hands. And now you're going to need to stretch it out and get a good size to it, almost like if it's a flank steak. Now you're going to want to go ahead and put your vital wheat gluten protein in a pot of boiling water for 45 minutes. Your finished product should end up looking similar to this. And at this point, you can go ahead and cut it however you want to for whatever dish you're using. Vital wheat gluten is a very good way to substitute meat in many dishes. It takes the flavor and seasoning of just about anything you throw at it. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, let us know what you think. And for the next video, we're going to go ahead and make discada. So stay tuned for that one.